Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today we're going to make a holiday winter wreath. And this is a little bit complicated, and you might need a little bit of help from your parents or an adult. So first of all, you will get in your kit, you'll get green paper and you will get red paper, and you'll get a little activity sheet. You'll also get something that looks like this, and it has a lot of pictures, and it shows you step by step how to make this wreath, but I'm going to show you at least one time. The first thing you're going to do is take a piece of green paper. Now your green paper is going to be like this, and you're going to fold it in half like a hot dog bun, just like that, okay? Now that's your paper folded in half. Okay, stay tuned. Now once that paper is folded in half like this, you open it up like that, and you take this side to the middle, and you take this side to the middle, and you have something that looks like this. Okay? It looks like that. Then you're going to undo it and fold it back the way it was. Alright, got that? And this is what it looks like right here. Now here's your fold, and this is what you're going to do. You can take a pencil. I happen to have a green marker, and I used a marker. And the first thing I did was, and the fold is at the top, right here. There's your fold. You put it down, and you take your ruler, and where this was folded under like that, you'll have a little mark. So take your ruler, put it right here, and draw yourself a nice long green line. Now you can use a ruler for the rest. I didn't. I just took my ruler. You can measure it, but I didn't. I used my ruler and I went a line right up here to your green line, and you mark it off so it looks like this. And this is the open end. Then what you have to do is you have to take your scissors, and this is important on the fold. It's on the fold. You take your scissors and go all the way to the line, and all the way to the line, and again all the way to the line. And when you get finished with that, you'll have something that looks like this. When you unfold it, you have no cut marks, no cut marks. You take this and you fold it like this. Okay, see? Did you see how I did that? The two that are not cut are folded together. Now you can glue that, but I'm taking the easy way out, and I am going to tape mine, and it's going to be just as good as if you glued it. Maybe better, because it's more flexible. Then this is what you have. Almost looks like a worm, doesn't it? All the way. Okay? I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to cut that one, and that one. And throw that away. So this is what you have. You've got a little edge here. Fold it around. Be careful. You're going to hold it up. Poke that inside like that. I'm going to take another piece of tape. Oh, I'm going this way. I'm going to tape it. Well, there you go. There's your wreath. Okay? Then what you'll do next is, you can see this one that's finished. I had little red paper in your bag. Just cut yourself some little red berries. Cut yourself a red bow. And put your bow on. You can put your bow here or here, anywhere you want it. Put your berries on. And then take your yarn and just put your yarn through the top of it, and that is your holiday wreath. And you can hang that up. You can give it to somebody you care about or somebody you want to make happy. So happy holidays, everybody. Thank you. Miss you.